how to edit or delete text shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on General Management. And from here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we go down, and in here, tap on text shortcuts. Now to edit a text shortcut, tap on that text shortcut right there. And here you can change the shortcut. So I can change from AA to SS on the keyboard. And then I can change the expanded phrase. So short time. So short time I will be there, and then tap on save. So if I go and open up my keyboard, I can use the shortcut SS, and that will automatically insert the phrase for me. So I can put in SS and then tap on the spacebar, and that will allow me to quickly use the keyboard shortcut. And that's it. So that is how you can edit it. If you want to delete it, we can go back here and then tap on the delete button. Then select a text shortcut that you want to remove. Then tap on the delete button and then tap on delete. And that is how you can edit or create a text shortcut or delete it. So you can tap on the delete button to create a text shortcut. You can just tap on the add button to add in a new text shortcut. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.